Today's clip comes to us from Florida. This is an accident that could have been avoided by either party involved. We'll take a look at the clip, then go back and learn some lessons on situational awareness, patience, and the importance of having a dash cam. And that's where this one ends. Let's roll the clip back and learn some lessons here. The first lesson we can learn is the importance of situational awareness. A common mistake people make when driving is getting tunnel visioned on what's directly in front of them, instead of constantly scanning their surroundings to be aware of all cars around them. In this case, the driver of this truck was 100% in the wrong, but they did hit their brakes and turn their turn signal on. Had our driver here been more situationally aware, they could have seen this and slowed down ahead of time to prevent this accident. The second lesson we can learn is how crucial it is to have patience. The driver of the truck made an illegal right turn, crossing the barrier and 2 lanes of moving traffic to catch the on-ramp to this highway. If you miss your turn, find another way instead of making an illegal and dangerous move to try to save a few minutes off your commute. This driver, in trying to catch their missed turn and shave a few minutes off their commute, ended up having to spend more time dealing with the aftermath of the accident, as well as the cost of repairs, medical bills, points on the license, and higher insurance premium rates due to being at fault in this accident. The third lesson we can learn here is how valuable it is to have a dash cam. Since this entire accident was recorded, our driver here will have no problem proving that they were not at fault. Had they not had this dash cam recording, it might be a bit more difficult when it becomes a case of he said, she said. So if you don't have a dash cam, pick one up today. There are links in the description box below. What do you think could have been done differently to prevent this accident? What would you have done in this situation? Comment your thoughts below so we can all learn and become safer, more vigilant drivers.